this video, we will show you how to make an item draggable in your activity. By default, when you add an item to your activity, it will be set as not draggable. Let's take a look. When I'm running this activity, if I touch the image of the mittens and move my finger around, nothing's going to happen. So let's pause and press Edit to open the Activity Designer. Now touch the item you want draggable to select it. You'll know you've selected it because the yellow box will be shown as a perimeter. Now open your Tool menu, then touch Properties and scroll down. Find the header labeled Drag and Drop. Under the word Draggable, touch the toggle switch to turn it on, indicating the item is now draggable. After you save your changes, let's run the activity again to check our work. Now, when you touch and drag your image, it should move with you, adding an extra element of engagement for your students. Thank you for joining me for another CViConnect Professional Edition.